What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title, today we are doing something a little bit different and I've never done a video like this before, so I really hope you guys enjoy and can give me some feedback. Today I'm going to be taking you guys along with me to a local thrift store or charity store as we call it in the UK, and we're going to be trying to find a variety of different pieces for autumn/fall. Here is my little checklist of the things that I kind of want to find at the thrift store in order to build my autumnal wardrobe. If there's any Americans out there watching this, I am literally so jealous of your thrift stores like Goodwill and all the other ones. They're just so big. Here in the UK, sadly, the charity shops are much smaller. They don't normally have anywhere near as much variety. For the purpose of today's video, I'm going to be going to one of the largest like superstore charity shops, which is definitely not really the most common thing by far. I already know this is going to be super challenging, but just to kind of give you a mood board, this is my Pinterest board for this shopping trip. These are the kind of things and outfits that I want to put together / find, so fingers crossed we're gonna find something good. So this is the thrift store we're going in today. Let's go. Alright, so basically what we're going to do is we're just going to sift through every single item that we have in the whole entire store. My number one rule when going into a charity store is thinking about how the item I'm considering buying will fit with the rest of my wardrobe. Will the colors go together and can I envision myself wearing this in multiple different ways? It's super easy to find cheap items that you like the look of and then buying it for the sake of buying it, when in reality you might not end up wearing it for these exact reasons. Alright, we are trying to find a jacket. Ooh, hang on a minute. How much is this? £9 and it's from Miss Pap. Are you kidding? This is exactly what I've been looking for. So we're also trying to find some neutral but patterned things, kind of like this. This is looking really good. It is a large, so I don't know if I'll be able to make this work, but how much is this? This is £3.50, and where is it from? It's from Shein. Oh my gosh, I love it. I do think that charity shopping is a really fun and rewarding experience. You can find so many gems for super cheap, and although you do have to sift through all the things that aren't your style, you really do get an amazing feeling when you find something that is worth your while. It literally felt like I hit jackpot when I found this jacket. Alright guys, so I have found so many different really nice items that are so affordable. I swear my whole haul will be probably under £30 for all these pieces of clothing. So let's go back to the studio and see how we can style all these. Alright guys, so I am back. I have returned with a bag of goodies and I cannot wait to show you guys what I found. Okay, so first and foremost, I want to give you guys my grand total. This is everything that I got. I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items. And it came to £47.75. I mean, that is pretty good if I say so myself. So I guess let's start off with the largest item, which I am so happy that I found. It is this shaggy Borg kind of coat. It is literally perfect. I absolutely love this color. I wear a lot of things in these neutral tones, so this is just gonna go with everything perfectly. This coat was literally only £10 and it is literally like brand new. There's nothing wrong with it. This is from a brand called Girls on Film. I've never heard that before, but it's a really nice jacket. It's actually got pockets as well, which is fab. And I feel like there is so many different ways that you could wear a cozy jacket like this. The next item I found is the shirt to kind of go with this jacket. It almost like matches in the color as well, but this is kind of like a suede look sort of shirt, and this is from Next. This shirt only cost me £4. I'm pretty sure something like this brand new would be so much more expensive, and yet again, there's nothing wrong with it. It basically looks new, so I am so excited about this find. Now for the bottoms, I was really trying to find a pair of shorts or skirt or something alike that would basically have a bit of a pattern to it. I feel like wearing a patterned bottom is quite trendy right now, so when I found these, I just knew I had to get them. These were actually from Shein. They were £3.50 and they are a large, but I have a feeling I can probably tailor them a little bit. I absolutely love the houndstooth kind of pattern. It's so autumnal and the color scheme of this whole outfit just goes together so well. So let's go try this outfit on and see how it looks. All right, so here is the outfit and what it looks like on. I have to say, now that I've got it on, I do like all of the pieces individually. However, I probably wouldn't pair this jacket with this shirt because the colors do kind of clash. I mean, they are so similar, but just not similar enough. I feel like yeah, there's definitely a bit of a difference. However, I do think that all of these items are just so perfect on their own. This jacket, first of all, it is literally such a vibe. I've just realized it's one of those jackets that only does up with like one little metal clasp right there in the middle. So this is kind of how it looks once you've got it on. But yeah, I do think it's really cute. I like the length. You can wear it with a skirt and it will still like cover up the skirt. So that's really nice. I love the fact that it's got pockets. I feel like that just makes this jacket for me. So yeah, that's about the coat. Now let's talk about the outfit underneath it. So we've got the shirt, which is really, really nice. I love the way it fits. It's a little bit like baggy. It's not too tight, so that's great. I've just tucked it into the shorts from Shein, and I did actually have to like cinch them in with a rubber band in the back because they were a bit too loose for me, as obviously I've gathered, but because I just love the way they look so much, I am gonna get them tailored to my size. I feel like that will be pretty easy. So yeah, this is the whole outfit. I'm absolutely in love with everything. Literally every single item of this outfit is from the thrift store, so I feel like this is a good start. All right, now moving on to the next few items. The first item that I kind of found on one of the racks was when I was searching the neutral kind of area of tops, and I found this little turtleneck, which is a very simple piece that I feel like everybody should have in their wardrobe for autumn. It's just perfect for layering. You can wear it with trousers, you can wear it with skirts, you could wear it tucked in. It keeps your neck warm because it's a high neck, but it's still quite thin, so you can layer over it. This particular one was actually from New Look, which is so cool, and this was only £4. I absolutely love the color. I feel like it's such a wearable one. So yeah, that's basically like the base of this next outfit. I then ventured over into the trousers section, and lo and behold, I found this gem. I'm sorry, but this literally couldn't have gotten better for me. This is a pair of trousers from Pretty Little Thing. They are kind of like cargo trousers. They've got little pockets everywhere, and you guys, you will not believe when I say this was £3. £3. Are you seeing this? Oh my gosh, I am so excited. These would have normally easily cost like £25 or £30, maybe even more, to be honest. So £3 is actually wild, and they literally look like brand new. So these two together are definitely gonna make a great outfit, but wait, there is more. There is one last piece that I found that I feel like would make this outfit even more cozy and even more just warmer. And it is this zip up kind of vest, I guess. It's like a fleece, but it's got no arms. So yeah, I guess it's kind of like a vest. This is the brand that it's from. It's from a brand called Isle, and it was £6.50. It is a 10 to 12 in size, but to be honest, I feel like it's gonna be okay. It's kind of one of those items that can be worn a little bit larger. And yeah, it just looks really, really soft and really cozy. It's got zip up pockets as well, which is great. I feel like this is the kind of item that you could wear on like a nice morning jog just to keep your body a bit warmer. And I'm hoping color-wise it will go with this whole outfit, but let's just try it on and see. All right, guys, so here is the second outfit and what it looks like on. I honestly feel like this has such a like Y2K kind of vibe. I really, really like it. I feel very like edgy. Does that make sense? I have no idea. It's just the kind of outfit that I normally wouldn't like pair together. I feel like this vest is definitely something that I definitely need to work on when it comes to styling. I always struggle with this particular type of piece of clothing. Like I never know how to make it look good. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think it goes with this kind of pair of trousers and a turtleneck? I feel like it does. And actually color-wise, everything seems to go really, really nice together. This is really, really cute, and actually it fits pretty nicely, even though it is supposed to be like a size or 2 sizes too big for me. As for the trousers, I literally love them so much. They look so funky and they're really comfortable, but sadly I did discover one really annoying thing, and it's the fact that the zipper is completely like off of its rails. It is just broken. I don't know if I'll be able to fix it, which is really sad, but now I understand why these trousers were so cheap. I feel like they knew, and they probably should have put it on the label because I didn't bother checking. But yeah, this is what the outfit is looking like. I really, really love this. I think I probably could get the zipper fixed, in all honesty. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give this outfit probably like a 7. Okay, so moving on, one of the items that I was really interested in finding was kind of like a faux leather jacket or a faux leather blazer or something of that sort. And I literally found just that when I found this little bad boy. This one is from Miss Pap originally, which is again another really good brand that I have shopped from before. This blazer was £9 and I feel like this would have easily been like £40 originally. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love the color. Has it got real pockets? It does. It's got real pockets. Yay. It has got like a slight pen mark on the back. I'm just gonna show you guys up close. Can you see that? But to be honest, it's not that big of a deal. I can probably get it out, but yeah, I really love this. It's got shoulder padding inside. Now for the base of this particular outfit, I didn't manage to find any pieces from the charity shop, so I'm just gonna be using some things that I already own in my wardrobe, such as this little turtleneck, and then also these really nice cream thin trousers. I feel like the color scheme of this outfit is definitely going to work out really great, so let's go put it on and see how it looks. All right guys, here is the little blazer moment. I just love this outfit so freaking much. I feel like everything just goes together really nicely. Can I just say, this blazer literally feels like brand new. You'd never be able to tell that it was used and secondhand. So I definitely want to encourage you guys to go out and just go to your local charity shops more often, because I feel like you can find so many amazing pieces for literally a fraction of the price that they were originally. So yeah, here's the blazer. I mean, it is quite like wide in the shoulders, I'm not gonna lie. It's very like structured, if you know what I mean. It's quite like a masculine fit, which I don't really mind too much. I quite like that boxy masculine kind of fit when it comes to blazers. I feel like there's so many ways you could wear this blazer. You could wear it as like a over the top blazer, almost like a jacket, but when it's done up, it is long enough that you could totally wear it as like a blazer dress if you have some shorts underneath, because then I feel like you'll be 100% safe. So yeah, this is how the outfit is looking. I am so happy with it. I feel like this is definitely very Pinterest worthy. On the scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving this outfit a 10 out of 10. And now the very last item that I found for this last outfit is actually this cream knitted sort of like sweater. When I found this on the rack, I literally was so happy because it's exactly what I was looking for on my checklist. This is actually originally from Divided, which is H&M, and this cost me £4.50. And let me tell you, H&M, like sweaters like this, are never cheap. They're really not. There is virtually nothing wrong with this, and I've been seeing so many cute outfits on Pinterest that incorporate a sweater like this. So that basically is the base of this fourth outfit. Now at this point, when I found this, my whole arm was just covered in like hangers like this, just hanging on my arm. So instead of looking around some more and buying more items, I just thought, do you know what? I'm just gonna keep it at that, and I'm just gonna pair it with things I already own. So I think underneath this jumper, I'm just gonna wear a white collared shirt like this. This one is from Shein. It's quite nice and cropped as well, so it's not gonna hang too much under. And lastly, I'm gonna finish off the outfit on the bottoms with my latest purchase from Pretty Little Thing. This was actually part of my Pretty Little Thing like autumnal haul, so if you guys haven't seen that, I'll link it in the eye. But yeah, these are perfect, and I feel like it brings back the autumnal kind of feel to it. So let's go try it on and see what the whole outfit is like. All right guys, how freaking cute is this outfit? I actually can't get over it. This sweater is literally perfection. It is such a nice fit. I really love the length of this jumper. It really nicely sits just above like the hip or in line with it, whereas a lot of jumpers these days or sweaters do kind of go like over the hip, and sometimes that oversized look is what I'm after. But today, when I want to show off my little shirt peeking out and my faux leather trousers underneath, I definitely want the sweater to not be overpowering. So yeah, I feel like this look is really cute, really sophisticated, and maybe with some nice accessories, it would be very Pinterest worthy. So yeah, for £4 for this sweater, I feel like you cannot go wrong. I'm giving this outfit a huge thumbs up. All right guys, so that was everything for today's thrift with me kind of video. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more, perhaps next time I could do more like homeware stuff. This particular thrift store or charity shop, whatever you want to call it, has a lot of different items. It has like furniture, it's got like ornaments, it's got glass houseware. So I feel like I could definitely do more of a homeware kind of video next time. Let me know if you guys want to see that. As always, thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video. If you did enjoy, make sure you smash that huge thumbs up down below and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. But that is all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.